Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to redeem code in Mobile Dungeon. Redeeming codes in Mobile Dungeon is currently not available, and this video is mainly to clarify that for players who might be searching for it, you may have noticed Mobile Dungeon codes being mentioned online and wondered where to enter them, especially after checking the settings and not finding any redemption section. At the moment, the reason is simple. The game does not officially support redeemable codes yet. Some of the codes you might see online are actually from different games with similar names, which can cause confusion. If you check community discussions or the official Discord server, longtime players and moderators have confirmed that code redemption has not been added to the game. While this could become a feature in future updates, there is currently no way to redeem codes inside Mobile Dungeon. For now, the best way to earn rewards is by participating in events, completing quests, and progressing through regular gameplay. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.